you sure? Surely Dirk wouldn't watch a sex tape. Cindy!
They found Warren's car.
Cindy, what is that doing on Dirk's laptop?
I don't know.
Are you okay? There's no way Dirk was watching that.
How do you know?
Why would he have it? Cindy, what are you gonna do?
Well, you know Dirk. He wouldn't.
Really? Just like he wouldn't maul a stripper the night before marrying my mum? Mum.
No matter what they say, don't release them or let anyone else.
You do know the wedding's about to start, right?
Well, they better hurry up and try and sort things out before they become a laughingstock.
That's so lame.
Oh, okay, we'll all go to Leah's audition together then.
Hey, mate, I'll double that if you get us out of it.
Sorry, I'm a man of my word, and I am running late, so ciao.
Oh, mate, come on. Don't even look at me.
Hey, just gonna get you changed.
Oh, okay. Cindy's gonna be here any minute. You said to get me vows printed out.
I saw Holly. She said she'll bring them.
And what if she forgets? I can't remember anything I wrote. I've been trying to cobble something together before she gets here, and nothing.
I'll go and ask Alfie to help. We'll see what we can find online. There'll be something you can nick.
I don't believe it. This is our wedding. Nothing can go wrong. It has to be perfect. Cindy? What's wrong?
I need you to tell me
Tell you what?
the truth.
Well, no, activity for a while. Surely that's a good sign.
I don't know. I've never eaten out-of-date sausages before.
And you never will again.
You don't mind showing yourself out, do you?
Why? What are you doing?
I'm going to sleep. What does it look like?
No way. You promised to be my date for the wedding. And it's about to start, so come on. Let's get showered and dressed and carry on like nothing ever happened. We've had our share of bad luck, but things can only get better from here, right?
I swear to you, I have no idea how it ended up there.
The tape? The stripper?
That woman made a pass at me. I was trying to get her to stop.
And how do you explain the tape?
Cindy, look at me. It could have been a virus, or maybe someone downloaded it onto my computer, but that someone wasn't me.
Then who?
I don't know. You can't possibly think I had anything to do with this. Sin, you know me. You know I could never. Holly is like a daughter to me.
Mum? Everyone's still here. Why haven't you sent them away?
Sweetheart.
Stay away. I don't want you anywhere near me.
Holly.
It obviously runs in the family. You're as bad as Nick. Mandy's going through your laptop right now. What else are we going to find?
That's enough! You do not speak to Dirk like that.
Why not after what he did?
He didn't do anything! He wouldn't. He's incapable of it.
What, so my tape just found its own way onto his laptop?
No, but we'll find out how it got there.
We already know!
Really? Do you actually believe in your heart of hearts that Dirk could do something like that?
Yeah. I do.
Look, there is no way Dirk would do that.
What, and you're sure?
I know Dirk.
And I thought I knew Nick.
Look, Holly, I get it. I really do. What you have been through is horrendous, and it changes you. It changes the way you see people.
Mum, stop. There's evidence. Why are you defending him?
Because he's a good man who loves you. He would never...
That's what they all say, though, isn't it? If you'd have seen him with that stripper last night...
Holly, it was his stag. Look, sweetheart, you need to calm down and think.
You know what I need? Is to get away from him. I need you to get away from him.
Sorry. I can't do that. Not when he hasn't done anything wrong. inside. Talk to Dirk.
No. I want nothing to do with him. If you do this, if you take his side and go ahead and marry him, then I don't want anything to do with you either.
Well, if you hadn't been so stupid into getting the socks in the first place...
I thought it was part of Leah's audition scene, and so did you. Anyway, the only reason you got in is because you're so competitive with me.
Have you heard yourself?
No, the only thing I do hear is your annoying voice. Makes me ears bleed.
Yeah, well, you've got a face I would never get tired of punching.
Mature, Steve. Really mature.
Well, right back at you, Ryan.
Holly's so certain. Holly's wrong. After everything she's been through, I can understand her being scared and suspicious, but she can't accuse Dirk of something that he didn't do.
Well, there was nothing else suspicious on his laptop. You need to go and talk to her again.
No. I know my daughter. She needs time to cool off, and once she's calmed down, she'll realise that she's made a mistake and Dirk would never do anything to hurt her. Holly won't miss our wedding.
Sienna, I know how difficult this is.
We scrub up well, don't we? What?
Nothing, I keep picturing you.
Well, don't. You need to just focus on something else.
Yeah. Oh, no, I can't. Oh, you need some fresh air.
Hey, have you seen Holly? No, mate. Shouldn't she be here by now?
Voicemail.
I don't understand. What happened to Holly?
It was a misunderstanding. Cindy's going to sort it.
We need to start the ceremony. We can't hold off much longer.
We're still waiting for someone. Can we just have a few more minutes?
I'm sorry, this is no good. You can't get married without your daughter here. I mean, you'd never forgive yourself.
Oh, no, you've got to go ahead with it. This is your wedding.
What do? We need to make a decision.